As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of well-integrated software solutions. Over the years, I've guided countless teams in leveraging tools that streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive project success. In this journey, one name consistently surfaces as a reliable and comprehensive suite: Zoho. Today, Zoho stands as a global powerhouse, offering a vast ecosystem of business applications, from customer relationship management, CRM, to project management, finance, and human resources. Its intuitive interface, robust features, and commitment to providing value have made it a go-to platform for businesses of all sizes. But like any established entity, Zoho has a history, a journey that predates its current moniker. For those new to the business software landscape or students delving into the evolution of technology companies, understanding this history provides valuable context and insights into the company's growth and philosophy. So, let's embark on a journey to answer a seemingly simple yet intriguing question. What was the old name of Zoho? The answer, in fact, lies in understanding the company's origins and its initial focus. Before it became the globally recognized Zoho Corporation, the company was known as AdventNet Inc. This name, AdventNet, reflects the company's early vision and the era in which it was founded. Let's delve deeper into this initial identity and the factors that led to the eventual rebranding. The genesis of AdventNet, a focus on network management. AdventNet was founded in 1996 by Sridhar Vembu and Tony Thomas. Their initial focus was on providing network management software. In the mid-1990s, as businesses increasingly relied on complex computer networks, the need for efficient and reliable management tools became paramount. AdventNet stepped into this space, offering solutions that helped organizations monitor, manage, and troubleshoot their network infrastructure. Their early products were designed to simplify the complexities of network administration, providing IT teams with the visibility and control they needed to ensure smooth operations. Think of it like managing a complex construction site. In the early days of IT, networks were like sprawling sites with various interconnected systems. AdventNet's initial software acted as the project manager for these digital infrastructures, helping IT professionals keep everything running smoothly, identify potential bottlenecks, and resolve issues quickly. The name AdventNet itself suggests a forward-looking approach, Advent, focused on the realm of networks, net. It conveyed the company's commitment to providing innovative solutions in this critical area of business technology. The evolution beyond network management, a broader vision. While network management remained a core competency for AdventNet, the company's vision began to expand. Recognizing the interconnectedness of various business functions and the growing need for integrated software solutions, AdventNet started to venture beyond its initial focus. This expansion was a natural progression, akin to a successful construction company realizing that its expertise in managing large projects could be applied to different types of developments. AdventNet saw the opportunity to apply its technical prowess and understanding of business needs to a wider range of software applications. Over the years, AdventNet gradually introduced new products that addressed different aspects of business operations. This included tools for IT management, customer support, and eventually a comprehensive suite of business applications. This diversification was a strategic move, driven by the understanding that businesses thrive when their various departments and processes are seamlessly integrated. Standalone software solutions, while useful, often created data silos and hindered collaboration. AdventNet aimed to break down these silos by offering a unified platform. The birth of Zoho, a new identity for a broader suite. As AdventNet's product portfolio grew to encompass a wide array of business applications, the original name started to feel less representative of the company's evolving identity. AdventNet strongly suggested a focus solely on networking, which no longer accurately reflected the breadth of their offerings. This is where the name Zoho came into the picture. In 2009, AdventNet made a significant strategic decision to rebrand its suite of online business applications under the new name Zoho. This marked a pivotal moment in the company's history, signaling its transformation from a network management software provider to a comprehensive business software platform. The name Zoho is derived from the acronym for small office home office. This name reflected the company's initial target audience, small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, and even individual entrepreneurs looking for affordable and accessible business tools. The choice of Zoho was deliberate. It was a shorter, more memorable, and more versatile name that didn't pigeonhole the company into a specific technology domain. It conveyed a sense of simplicity and accessibility, aligning with the company's goal of empowering businesses of all sizes with powerful yet user-friendly software. Think of it as a construction company that started by building residential homes, AdventNet, focused on a specific area, but then expanded to build commercial buildings, infrastructure projects, and more. To reflect this broader scope, they might adopt a new brand name that encompasses their diverse capabilities, Zoho, a more general and inclusive identity. Zoho's growth and philosophy, building an integrated ecosystem. The rebranding to Zoho was more than just a change of name. It represented a strategic shift towards building a tightly integrated ecosystem of business applications. Zoho's philosophy has always been to offer a comprehensive suite where different applications work seamlessly together, eliminating the need for businesses to juggle multiple disparate software solutions from different vendors. This integrated approach offers several key benefits. Improved data flow. Information can flow smoothly between different applications, such as CRM and project management, providing a holistic view of business operations. Enhanced collaboration. Teams can collaborate more effectively when they are using integrated tools that share data and workflows. Cost efficiency. By offering a suite of applications, Zoho provides a cost-effective alternative to purchasing individual solutions from different vendors. Simplified management. Managing a single platform is often easier than managing multiple independent systems. As a project management expert, I can attest to the significant advantages of such an integrated ecosystem. When project teams can access customer data from the CRM, track finances within the same platform, and collaborate using integrated communication tools, it leads to greater efficiency, better decision-making, and ultimately, more successful projects. Zoho's commitment to this integrated approach has been a key driver of its success. They have consistently expanded their suite of applications, organically developing most of their tools rather than relying heavily on acquisitions. This allows them to ensure deep integration and a consistent user experience across the entire platform.